Hey YouTube! It's been so long. So for a little comeback video, I'm just gonna be going through, I'm gonna type my name in on Twitter and then I'm just gonna be going through and seeing what people say about me. Cause my name's pretty unique. So when you look up Eosius, you see what a lot of, like you see almost everything that people are saying about me. But before I even start that, one of my friends, I'm gonna put the tweet up. To save the human race, you gotta have sex with either a chimpanzee or an unknown alien species which could look like or be made out of anything. I feel like I saw that yesterday and I really sat down and I was thinking about it because I was like, that's a good question because I'm not letting... Actually, I don't even want to do chimpanzee. I'm changing the question. To save the human species, you have to have sex with either a gorilla or an unknown alien species which could look like or be made out of anything. And I was doing research because the reason I'm changing the question is because when I first read the question, I didn't recognize it said chimpanzee. So when I was like answering the question, I was thinking of gorilla. But I was looking. I'm gonna put it up here. You know how big gorilla meat is? I come to Twitter to escape the madness, but that's simply not possible because I follow Eosius. Why do you go to Twitter to escape madness? Go to a therapist. Twitter is the closest you could legally get to the dark web. Do not come to Twitter to escape the madness. Go to Pinterest. Go to Pinterest. Look, hold on, let me look it up. Gorilla dick size. When Eosius first got popular, everyone was calling him hot, and now it's blasphemous to say that. That's... Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Gorilla dick is 3 to 6 centimeters. I'm taking that shit. I'm taking that shit, I'm sorry. 3 to 6 centimeters is easy work. That's so easy. And gorillas are gentle beings. Amine walked so Eosius could do a relaxed, slightly slower walk. Who is topping who? Is the alien slash gorilla going into me? Or am I going into the gorilla slash alien? You don't know how big this alien is. What if the alien is Superman? And then Superman rips you up from inside. Alright, so someone said Amine is just Eosius if he took showers. Yeah, you could go to hell though. You could go to hell. I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna I'm not putting my penis in a gorilla. This one was interesting. I'm gonna need Eosius to shut the fuck up about elephant penis and post some more ass pics. First of all, there's not a single ass pic on the internet with me in it. I'm so sorry. If you've ever seen a picture of me in a dress, if you've ever seen a picture of me, my butt, whatever, it's not me. It was edited. That is not me. I've never worn a dress. I'm extremely masculine. I'm an alpha male. We all know this. I would never wear a dress. I would never do that. That's I'm not a feminine man. I'm an extremely masculine, hyper masculine actually man. I believe in a lot of things, and there are a lot of things that itself, me wearing a dress, will go against my beliefs. I would never do that as an alpha male. I would never. So please don't put that on me. Please don't. If you've ever seen me in a dress, it is the left media that is trying to convince you that manly men like me do not exist. But don't ever believe. You see a picture of me in a dress, phew, I spit in your face. Anything you may have seen before is photoshopped. I'm sorry. Also, elephant penis is huge. I'm not gonna lie. Elephant penis is 6 feet. 6 feet. Average height for men is like 5'10". Average elephant penis is 6 foot. Why the fuck am I even talking to you? You're smaller than elephant dick. I'm 6'1", so you really gotta think about the question when answering. You can't just start talking. Cause I know people are quick to be like, oh no, I'm not having sex with a gorilla. Ooh. I prepared a good answer. Because this is what I would say. If it's me going into, then I'm picking alien. Because aliens, there's a chance that it's a beautiful alien. There is a chance that it's a beautiful alien. And so I'm picking alien. But if I'm getting topped, I'm going gorilla because it's 3 to 6 centimeters. I could take that. 3 to 6 centimeters is easy. It's so easy. But imagine this, like I said, imagine it's Superman. And fuck, no. Somebody asked, is Eosius actually funny or is he just fun? That's why I'd be laughing. Don't ask questions like that. That's please not. Yeah, because when his hair was short and he was ugly, I wasn't laughing. But now suddenly his hair got long and there I go, kikiing right along with him. Don't say stuff like that. Don't. It's a very intricate answer, but I'm glad we got that out of the way.